this room is gonna look like this to this. All right, as soon as we walk in, we see the Elgato green screen. Here we go. I have a light dimmer. I can actually dim the light, make it brighter. First, I'm gonna show you guys all the cool lights. I got the hexagon light over there, and I have the Xbox sign light, if you see that. And I have this sound responsive light, and it's also, you can change the colors by tapping it. All right, I like to leave it on the sound that's responsive. It also has like a glow light or changes colors. I like to leave it like that. Bam, 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 and it changes colors, see? Which is cool, I like that, so I leave it like that. And my two double screen, right? Floating monitors, and I have LED. I have an L-shaped table in the room with my outlets down there. I did the best that I can with the cables. I'm still gonna fix it up a lot better. I can do a lot better. I'm just gonna see right now where I'm gonna put my CPU, my system down there. I have it down there for now. I might just actually I'm gonna leave it there. It's pretty good spot, or I might put it somewhere else. We'll see. I also have on this side, I have all my Xbox games. If you see it, all the Xbox games. I have a little PlayStation game down there. Okay. I have a cool T-shaped double headphone hanger for playing games, and it has also two USBs. And this I can also change colors. All I have to do is click on this, and it changes colors, which is really cool. I like that. I think I'm gonna leave it on red. I like that. Leave it on red. It's kind of blinking there, but the green, no blue, purple, and it doesn't have red. How dare you? It just kind of blinks in and out, different colors. We'll leave it on green. It has a cool red claw. My Blue Yeti mic. And for the rest, oh wait a minute, I didn't even show you guys my keypad. Check it out. My mouse pad. Bam! And this also changes colors. I can press the button, changes colors. It's COD mouse pad, which is huge. Love it. And my Logitech, I don't remember what model it is, but once you press a button, it lights up. I had this for quite some time now. I actually like a lot of the, it's the K800. If you see it right there. Let's see if it, does it zoom in? Does it zoom in? Does it zoom in? Zoom in. K800, there you go. K800, which is really good. I like that one. Right? And I have, let me turn on the light so you can see. Now I have a light dimmer. I'm gonna fully turn on the lights so you can see. I also have, if you see on the walls, I have acoustic dampening pads, Jedi Master, and I have more acoustic dampening pads on this side. I did the best that I can, because some of the ones that I got the gray ones. Some of the gray ones that I got were kind of messed up and jacked up. So, nice United States Army plaque on this side, and all my tripods. I actually have more. I just couldn't fit them all on there. And I have my stabilizer. It's called Zion stabilizer, which is cool for your phone and stuff like that. And the hexagon lights, I can also change the colors too. I can leave it on yellow, blue, purple. I could also put fade, where it just fades and it starts to fade it in and out by itself, which is pretty cool. I can leave that like that. I'm thinking of adding some more. I don't know, I might, because I left one attached on this side. So if I add more, I could kind of go like this, and kind of cross around, which is kind of, you know, cool. All right. That is my what is my ring, my yellow, not my yellow, it is my halo light, right? And my Elgato green screen. Let's pull this bad boy down. Here you go. and it pretty much takes up almost the whole wall, which is crazy. Let me zoom, let me come out. Yeah, it's a pretty big green screen. It's a pretty big green screen. So I painted that whole side. And if you watch the video, watch it from the beginning, you see how I put everything together and I started from scratch. I have a cool little camera, you know, adapter piece clip, you know, it's kind of clamped onto the table. Back there, I have my 2 floating monitors that I can actually swivel and put whichever way I want. I can put one horizontal, I can put one vertical, whichever way, whatever I want to do actually, which is really cool. I just gotta kind of tighten it sometimes because that one on that side is a little heavy. This one's pretty good. It's a little bit more modern, this one. This one's a little bit older, but it seems like it's better quality. This one's kind of like a faded color, I don't know why, but that one has a good picture and image. I like the colors on this one, like you can see it, you know, compared to this one. But these are all my tripods, my big tripod here, and my cool pictures. You're gonna see my cool wall pictures. I actually have more. I forgot to bring it up. That's what I forgot. I have it in the garage, I think, but it's cool. I'll bring it up next time and I'll put them up there. They're actually really cool pictures. You'll see it once I have it up there. This is Marvel, the whole Marvel superhero villains and characters, which is real cool. I like it. This right there is just a little plaque, you know, just 5 more minutes. Easily can repeat. Got a nice cool picture of Batman and the Flash. Gotta have some DC up there. We got some cool DC superheroes. I got my cool keep out door hanger, and we can close the door. Alright, I got this on this side. I didn't really put anything on this side. I'm thinking of just putting maybe some more pictures on this side, from the top to the bottom, whatever like that. And that's it. It's fairly not too big. You know, it's not too big, not too small. But it's definitely gonna do its thing. It's gonna do its thing, and I can't wait to start making videos and do what I need to do. And I love this light that I have right here. This light is actually really cool. It's like a big round light, if you see it, but I can also dim it really low, put it bright. Love that light, and then I could just turn it off. All I have to do is just actually click it, which is cool. And click it, turn it back on. Right? So there you go, guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe. Continue. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, comment down below. Hit that notification so that way you'll be notified of all my cool videos. And again, this is ShowVLOX showing you my game room / studio / office, and I have more to come. I have umbrella lights and stuff like that also, but I don't think that's gonna fit. I'm just gonna do it with my halo lights, and I might have to find somewhere to put it, whatever like that, but it's definitely gonna work. I know one can definitely fit back there. I might definitely put one right there behind there, like standing right there. I think it'll be perfect, or I might use a clamp or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. Stand one right there, halo light, so that way it could shine on me and stuff like that whenever I'm doing videos. And that's it. I hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Continue to watch. Peace.